Hi, I'm Sumi.
Hi, I'm Jayashri.
In our last video, we talked about what was trending on the news channels. But in this video, we will talk about what is not trending but should have been. Yes, the Assam flood. Assam faces flood every year since few years. Yet no effective or permanent measures have been taken till date.
Why Assam get flooded every year? Assam is a low-lying valley as compared to where the Himalayan water flows from, that is, the higher elevation of Tibetan region of the Himalayas. The Brahmaputra origins from the Angsi Glacier, that is, the northern side of the Himalayas in Tibet. It then flows eastwards and enters India from Arunachal Pradesh, where a huge difference in elevation occurs, and you cannot imagine the speed of the river flow. From Arunachal Pradesh, when it enters Assam, which we know is an area a few meters above the sea level, gets braided into smaller channels. Hence, the rainfall in these areas raises the water level, causing an alarming situation for flood every year during monsoon.
How much flood affected Assam this year? According to the Assam Disaster Management Authority, Dhubri is the worst hit with over 4.69 lakh people, followed by Gwalpara 4.49 lakh people, Borpeta and Morigaon with more than 3.5 lakh people. At least 2,678 villages are underwater, adding 1,16,404 hectares of crop areas have been damaged by the deluge. Nearly 85% of the Kaziranga National Park and Tiger Reserve is submerged, putting several lives of endangered species under threat. The Brahmaputra is flowing above the danger mark at Nimati Ghat in Jorhat, Tejpur in Sonit district, Dhubri and Gwalpara districts. More than 70 lakh people affected so far, while 81 people died from flood, 26 in landslides, taking the death toll up to 107.
So, what measures have been taken till date? We'll discuss few here. From the recent news, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken an initiative to form a committee under the leadership of the Vice Chairman Niti Aayog. The members of this committee are jointly preparing a project report to find an effective measure for flood, soil erosion, and the landslide problem of the Northeast. We just hope it starts soon and works for the later years. Second, Sarbananda Sonowal, along with the forest officials, assessed the Kaziranga National Park and provided adequate food and veterinary services to the affected animals. Third, he also has been meeting flood affected people at different districts so that adequate food and the services are provided to them.
Assam MLA Mrinal Soikia has been seen rescuing people and livestock through waste deep water in Khumtai. The Assam Distribution Disaster Management have set up 649 relief camps and distribution centers across 21 districts, where 47,465 displaced people are taking shelter. They have distributed rice, dal, salt, relief materials such as tarpaulin, baby food, mosquito net, etc. Many NGOs are also reaching the area to help them, and others doing charity stream.
We feel proud that the people of Assam are fighting every day with the dual challenge of COVID-19 pandemic and this disaster. We hope they get more power and courage. So what we can do is just extend our helping hands to them by contributing. So we have put a link down in the description of an NGO, that is Feeding India Jorhat team. You can contribute there as per your wish. Or if you know any other, then please contribute there and support them. Thank you.